So if you look at any music pool, right? Like this was off of Club Killers. It has this notice on there. Club Killers had this on there. Very interesting. It's small, but I'll read it for you. So it says, all tracks are currently on a 90-day rotation. Make sure you stay updated and on top of daily releases. Curated lists will also be adjusted every Monday to reflect what is currently active on the site. They will be automatically enabled and disabled. All record pools have been affected. That last line was like, whoa. All record pools have been affected. So, this is some crazy shit. I'm kind of like, I'm a curator for, so like, I don't know how much I can like, yeah, like right on the spot right now. I don't want to get myself in trouble too much. How much I can talk. All right. Essentially, record pools are legal. Okay. If you think about it, the point of a record pool is to supply DJs, supply anybody who plays music for a living with new records, right? With, promotional records, things that come out. I think the rule is like the last year, the last 2 years or something like that. Like there's definitely or 18 months. There's like it's supposed to be recent music. So all the record pools that have music from the 80s and the 70s and the 60s and the 90s and the 2000s, like any record pool at all with throwbacks that aren't like a new remix. Like you can have like, I guess, Staying Alive remix. That's a whole nother thing too, because that's technically, if it's not official remix. Any record pool that has music that's more than 2 years old, it's illegal. You're not allowed to have that. It's not, that's like just, they're basically making money off all those tracks without paying royalties, if that makes sense. And it's just been this gray area forever. They never really cracked down. Nobody really knew about it, I guess. I don't know. But for the longest time, 10 years, better part of 10, 15 years, all these record pools existed. And even, because promo only is legit, like they're all legit. They pay, you know what I mean? What we're talking about, like the record pools where you pay and you download a million songs, all the regular record pools. If they have throwbacks, it's been illegal forever, but no one ever cracked down until the last couple of years. One of the record pools got caught, and that opened up a can of worms, and then all the record pools essentially got caught, and then they all got put on notice. I think like Sony was the first one or something, and then all the record labels came in and came down hard on the record pools. And so behind the scenes, seeing this message is showing that they're really cracking down, where they're not going to be able to have older music anymore. The reason why I'm even telling all you guys this, right, is number one, go on all your record pool sites, okay, and download all their shit. That's the biggest advice I can give you. I don't think it's going to be up there for long. If they really crack down. And then now that you can stream with BeatSource and stuff, you know what I mean? Like, you might have to like do some like, in the future, all the old stuff that they have, all those cool edits, everything, it's probably all going to be gone. And the only way you're going to get it is through like some kind of like shady Dropbox situation, if you know kind of thing. Beyond that, you're going to have a really hard time getting music other than buying it or ripping it off YouTube or streaming it. So if you're watching this and you haven't already, go to all your favorite record pools. When the show's done, of course. We got a great show ahead. When the show's done, go to all your favorite record pools. Take some time, pour a cup of coffee, and download everything. Fill your hard drive. Get it all while you can, because it's not going to be there for long. I'm telling you, people. You'll thank me later. At least you have all the edits. Now that you have it, you have the coveted hard drive, you can keep it pushing. The future generation is not going to have this stuff. So us old people, us, OGs, you can call us, right? We're going to be the ones that are lucky enough to have all this stuff because we experienced this era. Future generation DJs, if they don't get a hard drive or whatever, they're going to have to stream everything, and they're going to be limited by whatever the streaming services have. Not us. Not us. Not you watching the show right now, because you're going to go download everything. Trust me. Just trust me. Okay? And if like any of the record pools, if too many DJs go there and then the whole thing crashes down because it's like overloaded, my bad. I hope that causes a situation like that. But seriously, go download all this shit. You'll thank me later.